What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right now we're in a huge dip, a massive dip. It's literally insane. So right now it's the best time to buy any of the tokens I talked about. If you haven't got any crypto, now is literally the perfect time. Everything's at the bottom. So yeah, today we're gonna be talking about a new token, but before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe if you love money and you love crypto in general, because I post the best content on here. Also follow me on Instagram if you have any questions. And lastly, check out my Discord down below. I give all my tokens here way earlier than I can get out the video. For instance, this token today, everybody got a great entry in it because I posted that in my Discord chat. It's discounted right now and the price will go up eventually. So if you're thinking about getting in, get in now. And if you want to pay in crypto, DM me on Instagram. But without further ado, let's get into this video. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about Aerotyne token. Now, as you guys know, I like a lot of these new coins coming up. I just posted one yesterday on Zoo token. Today I'm giving you another play that I'm getting into. This company's a little bit different than any of the other ones. So yesterday, Zoo, I talked about how they did like a betting system with theirs and they're like the culmination of all dog coins. This one isn't a dog coin, but it is something with a great roadmap and a great team, great everything, great developers, and they're a little bit different. They, instead of incentivizing you with tokens, like they give you extra tokens for each time you hold. As of right now, there's like 6,000 holders, but they do a lot of giveaways, right? So right now they've done over $150,000 in giveaways, including 2 Teslas, and they're gonna keep giving away stuff. So that's a cool incentive for people to hold. Keep in mind that since it's so low in holders, it's really easy to win these kind of like cash giveaways. They basically give you extra tokens back. It's really cool. I like the way that they're doing that. And it's only like a week old. So I really do think, guys, that this will take off. The reason why I do think it's gonna take off is because think about it right now. Everything that's at the bottom, for instance, like HOKK. HOKK was at the bottom today. It was at like 5 cents or 0.0005. And now it's at like 0.12. You would have literally like almost 3 extra money if you would have just got in. So like, I think right now everything's on a super good dip. This is just another thing you should put on your watch list because I think this is gonna be an awesome token going forward. And I think that this company is gonna do great things. The thing about these tokens that you have to watch before you get in is you have to make sure the liquidity is locked so you can't get rug pulled, which in this case, they're about to get listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. I don't know, it's just a really good bet to place your money on. So yeah, obviously this isn't financial advice, use it at your own risk, but I do think this is gonna be a good coin. I got my money in it, I got my people's money in it. Check out everything down below with Aerotyne. You can figure out how to buy and everything in the description, or the pinned comment in the comment section, you can figure that out. It has the contract address, website, all that stuff. So cool deal. That's the video. I love you guys so much. Subscribe if you love money and you want to see any more tokens. Also, let me know in the comment section below what you think and what tokens you're holding. Check out my Discord down below. It's literally so cheap. I give you guys so much free game. I love you so much. Thank you for all the support. Follow me on Instagram if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.